may a reward from him. Children born to a young man are like arrows in the warrior's hand. How joyful is the man whose quiver is full of them. He will not be put to shame when he confronts his accuser at the city gates. So may God bless upon the reading of His Word. So gusto nating ipakita rito, number one, children are gifts. Kasi may mga nakikita ko, I've been in the ministry na from 20, yumaman, maraming property, very successful, kaya lang walang anak. So parang hindi pa rin sila kompleto. Okay.
Welcome you to the first birthday and visiting celebration of Zane Matayos! Ang selebrasyon dapat masaya, kaya naman ladies and gents, parinig naman ng isang malakas na hiyawan! Yes, sa magandang hapon sa inyong lahat, ladies and gents. It is with so much honor and pride to be hosting this beautiful, ladies and gents. Naganda po sila ng isang surprise dance, pero tikit-tikit po tayo sa gitna. Tikit-tikit po sa gitna po tayo. Alright? For our preparation step, ready na po ba ang Tindino? Preparation step po tayo. DJ, hit it! Let's go! Do more, do more! Papunta pa lang daw po dito ang isang pares po ng lolo and lola. Pero syempre po, hindi na po natin pabibitin ng mga bisita natin. Dahil of course, we have your Mr. and Mrs. Romax showing. And they are going to show you ang kanila pong dance move. Gigiling lang po tayo, mama. Gigiling lang po tayo. Kasi ikot po ng gigiling. Yun lang po. Ay, hindi po sila sasayaw pag wala pong malakas na hiyawan! DJ, hit it! Kaya pa po ba? Ma'am Sel, kaya naman po. Alright. Maraming salamat po. Pwede na po tayo bumalik po. Ladies and gentlemen, today calls for a grand celebration. And it is my distinct pleasure to introduce to you the luckiest, the happiest, and the most loving celebrant of the year. Together with the supporting parents, Mommy Stephanie and Daddy Carl John. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here Zane Matayos Romax Sisters! Come on, let's go! Lakas na higa mo naman dyan! Ladies and gentlemen, I have presented to you this beautiful journey in nasa harapan. Let's go! And for the very last time, isang malakas na walang pakarami kasamang hiyaw naman po for this beautiful family. Right in front of the naked eyes, guys. Ayan na. At syempre po, dito po muna tayo. At ngayon po, ay iaabot na po ng mga bisita ang kanila pong pangalawang regalo. Kahit po pangalawa, ang unang regalo niyo po ay... And now the wings! naman po ang ating best flush mo.
Maraming salamat din po sa time nyo na nagpunta para sa selebrasyon na ito. Yun. Message nyo ba? Okay. So, ang message ko lang, okay, see, anak, happy first birthday. You deserve all the goodness in the world. And alam mo na, ikaw talaga yung matagal namin pinag-pray. And nung dumating ka, sobrang happy namin. You are a testimony of God's faithfulness to us. And you are a big blessing to us. Kaya, super ka namin iti-treasure. Alam mo na hindi madali, hindi normal, hindi ideal yung sitwasyon namin. Pero we will try our best to provide a good future for you. We love you and happy birthday!
There we have it, ladies and gentlemen, the proud parents. We have Daddy Carl John and Mommy Stephanie on Season. At sa pagkakataon po, very emotional po ng welcome remarks nila. Hindi ko alam kung paano papasukin ulit yung program natin, no? Alright, sa pagkakataon po ito, we are going to ask two representative from our Ninong and two representative from our Ninang na magbibigay po ng kanilang birthday wish and a few words of wisdom to the proud parents. May we now ask, of course, ang ating pong proud parents kung sino nga ba ang tatawagin po natin Ninong at Ninang.
Si Daphne.
Ninang Daphne.
That person. Yun. Siguro ano lang, message to the parents, it is a very, sabi nga ni Pastor, not all are given the opportunity to become parents. So I just pray that you become, and then, you let him be more than what you have become. Yung next generation, that Zane will be more than what you have achieved. The both. Yun. Tsaka prayer ko na magkasama kayo one day na magkasama talaga kayo sa isa. Yan lang. I pray for protection and covering for your family. Happy birthday, Zane! Okay.
Grabe, kinikilabutan ako sa mga sinabi mo nga. Parang ako yung nag-birthday. Sabi ko talaga, pinapakinggan ko po yung mga sinasabi niyo. Ang galing niya, galing niya mag-English. Charis, saan ka nag-aaral, ma'am? Charis. Alright, balik dito naman po tayo. Hindi naman po sa... No?
Pamangkin na si Matmat. I call him Matmat kasi sanay kami na sa pamangkin ko si Matmat. So happy birthday. Alam namin na ikaw ay matagal na inantay ng aming kapatid at ng aming bayaw. It's a roller coaster for ride. Difficulties, PR, etc. Lahat yan. Kasi kahit ako, pinapapunta ako ni kapatid sa SG pagka kinakailangan ng tulog, lipat ako agad. So, na-witness ko kung paano yun sa family nila. So, yung dumating na si Matmat, isa lang yung prayer. Naway, lahat ng pangarap ng parents mo para sa iyo matupad at huwag maging masakit sa ulo. Yun lang. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday, Matmat, and I wish you all the best para sa iyo and of course sa aking bayaw at saka sa aking kapatid and to the rest of the family. Thank you.